Hey everybody, this is Sasha with Goalie. In today's product review, I'm going to be looking at this little guy right here. This is the Jiobit. It's designed to track you, your kids, your dogs, your pets, your lovers, anything you need to track. You attach this and it'll show you on your phone where they're located. Jiobit at the time of this recording cost $150 and 16 bucks a month, but if you pay for the whole year, it's only $8 a month. We did a review of a product called Angel Sense, which is designed to help kids who are eloping from getting lost, or seniors too. Now, their mortal competitor, or we don't know, maybe they're friends, is Jiobit.